All right, everybody. So the other day, I was invited on a podcast with the CEO of Lead Zolo. His name is Drew Carroll. He's one of probably the most brilliant marketer I've ever met, and just an all-around phenomenal businessman and a great friend. And he invites me on a show, and on the show, he says, "Hey, Tyson, why don't we call some leads from Lead Zolo?" And the first lead that picks up was this lead right here, property in Lake City, Florida, that I ended up getting under contract. And here is the very contract right here. So I'm going to do something new today, and that is I'm going to show you guys me selling a property rather than buying one. So I got this property locked up for $142,000, and here's kind of the information. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,774 square feet. It's on 0.41 acres, built in 1958, commercial and residential zoned, which some buyers are going to be interested in. And it has a 3-car garage. I'm looking to sell it for $159,000. Remember, I got it locked up for $142,000. So I stand to make a $17,000 profit if somebody buys it at my asking price. I've got all my comps right here. Oh, so as you can see, I'm saying my ARV is 240. I'm looking to sell it for 159. We got the photos of the property here, which I guess let's go take a look at. So here are the photos, and I'm going to tell you guys right now, just off the bat, the place does not look good, okay? So here's just kind of the front of the house. This I actually pulled from Zillow. This is a old pic. But here's kind of the inside of the house. But yeah, as you can see, this thing's kind of a dog. So this is the garage right here. As you can see, it's filled with stuff. So I don't know if the seller's going to end up taking that or it's going to be on the buyer, whether they want to get rid of it. Here's one of the bedrooms. This is a very interesting TV stand over here. Here's one of the bathrooms. More pictures of the bathroom. Here's more pictures of that one bedroom. Looks like there's a closet over here, and this probably leads to a bathroom. Another bedroom. This dude's got a gaming setup. What kind of cologne is that? He's got some ginger ale, or is that Mountain Dew? Okay. So as you can see, this house, they've ripped out the floor. This is all original, but new appliances, so that's nice. But they've ripped out this floor, so the flooring needs to be replaced, but they're gonna do that anyway. It needs to be repainted, popcorn ceiling, that's probably gonna need to go. As you can see, they've just been living like this, which is nuts. Dude, look at that grandfather clock. That thing is kind of gangster. But yeah, this is the property. Okay, so here's another room. Wait, so is it 2 bedrooms? Okay, no, 3 bedrooms. It is 3 bedrooms. There's the other bathroom. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Here's a picture of the property from, I believe, the back? No, it's the front, actually. That's the front. Looks like this. Wait, is this a 4th bedroom? No, that's just a view from the other side. It's a 3-bedroom. Okay, you guys get the gist. The property needs some work, okay? So we need to go ahead and get this thing sold. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call just my best buyer that I know in Florida, okay? He actually doesn't live in Florida, he lives here. So let's call him up and let's see if he's unavailable. All right, so he just texted me and he just said, "What's up?" I texted him the address and I said, "1 sec, pic's coming," and he said, "Send him over." So let me show you guys real quick. So that's our property, right? But here's some of the comps. So again, I'm looking to sell this property for $159,000. Here's a property that sold recently nearby our property. And as you can see, it's a 3-2, 1,566 square feet, so smaller than our property. And this sold for $233,000 3 months ago. So look, this property is not anything special, right? Obviously, it's nicer than ours, but not anything special. It's not like it's fully remodeled or anything like that. Very similar property to ours, and this is a really great comp to be able to show buyers, right? All right, how can we see? Guys, I'm also live on YouTube where you guys can see my computer. How much your buyer buy this house? Wait, what? How much you, your buyer? I haven't sold it yet. I bought the property for 142K. Not this one, but I'm looking to sell it for 159. But I'm just showing you guys the comps. So basically, guys, when I call up the buyers, I'm going to be sending them this. This is the information I'm going to be sending them, right? And I show them all of this. Like, this property sold for 233. This sold for 239. This property sold for 245, right? This property sold for 255, right? So this is what I'm going to be saying. This is how I'm going to prove to the buyer that, hey, this property is worth 240 grand. Right? And I'm selling it to you for 159. So basically, there's profit in there for you. All right, so he hasn't gotten back to me. So what we're going to do is just start calling people in my buyers list, right? Well, actually, we're going to throw this property on investor lift. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly right now how that actually works. Go into properties, and I'm going to show you guys in a second. But basically, when I first go into investor lift, this is what I'm going to do right here. I need to create my new property. So first thing I'm going to do is just start filling out the property's information. All right. Boom. There we go. This is going to autofill a lot for me. Bedrooms, bathrooms. There we go. This is wrong. It's on 0.41 acres. It is built in 1958. It is a single family house. Parking type has a garage that is detached. Starting price, $159,000. Buy now price, $163,000, we'll say. Minimum EMD, $5,000. My original purchase EMD was $100,000. Putting me as the dispo manager. Purchase price. This is my purchase price, which is $142,000. All right. ARV is $240,000. The date it was locked up on a contract. I don't remember. Let's see. 6/4. Accepting offers up until, or we're going to just put this end of June. Cool. Tags. None of these. Okay. So here's where we're going to write this thing. Okay. Easy. I'm going to put easy Florida flip. Worth 240, asking 159. So this is going to end up being the subject line of the email I send out. So now I'm going to go in here to my description, and I'm just going to copy and paste this. Okay, do you think you can get more than 15K for assignment fee? Well, that is what will be determined, because I hope to get as many offers as possible and hopefully start bidding more. All right, is that your keyboard? It is. Does the noise get annoying? I actually find it very satisfying, to be honest with you. I like it. All right. So, all right, this is kind of formatted over like shit. So, let me bold that. All right, okay. So we're going to create the property. Property successfully created. Now, let's make sure this looks all good. Okay, it does. Let's go to photos. And I need to add the photos. Here, one sec. Let me do this over here. So here are all the photos. Now I'm going to go through and, okay, like I don't, all right, fine. We'll keep that. We'll keep that. I'm just going to go through and make sure that, like, if there's any stupid-ass photos, that they're not in there. Like, what is this? Like, this isn't showing anybody anything. All right, cool. Okay. All right. We're making moves. Okay. No, wait. How do I get these? All right, here we go. Main image. Boom. Okay. Photos are in, boys. Photos are in. Is there anything else we need? Comps. Okay. There's one. Okay. Year built. Good thing. So I already did all this work, so I already know all this. 1963. Square footage, 1566. Lot size, I don't know. Bedrooms, 3. Bathrooms, 2. Last sold price, $233,000. Sold on 3/21. Save. Cool. All right, so we have our comps. Very nice. Very nice. So let's save all of that. Cool. Okay. All right, so watch this, guys. Wait, watch this. So on Investor Lift, we go draft available. Whoops, wait. Let's go back to draft. Available is you have successfully published the property. Do you want to market your deal? I sure do. Okay, campaign title. Let's see. Let's call this, all right. Easy Florida Flip. Worth $240K, asking $159K. New deal, email. All right, let me send a test campaign so you guys can see exactly what the email will look like that people are going to get. Let me wait for this to come through. So this is what the email is going to look like. I'm about to send to all the buyers. So it comes from We Buy Homes Cash, whatever. New off-market deal at starting price, $159K. Right, 3 beds, 2 baths, 1774. ARV is $240. We're selling for $159. All the details, photos, comps. That's what the email looks like. Okay. So everything looks good. We go to continue, and we're going to select buyers using geotags. So I'm going to go to buyers with tags. Wait, no, not this. Wait. Okay, perfect. Wait. Add geotags, and we want Lake City, Florida. Okay. Where is, let me see, I need to pull up in map. All right, so Lake City, Florida maps. So is what I'm trying to do right now is I need to figure out if there's any close towns that I want to include too. So it's central in between Tallahassee, Jacksonville, and it's north of Gainesville. So later on, I might send this to Tallahassee and Gainesville and Jacksonville buyers, but first I'm just going to send it to everybody in Lake City. So, okay, this is 7,000 plus buyers. I need to move this up. 4,000 buyers, perfect. Send only to vetted, nationwide, state, county, yes. Continue, send immediately, create campaign. Okay, so if you guys notice, I just sent out this deal immediately to 4,333 vetted buyers, people who have purchased wholesale deals before in a matter of seconds, okay? Okay, so now that we've sent out that email, we're gonna go back on Investor Lift. Let me move this. I'm gonna go back on Investor Lift. I'm gonna go to buyers. Buyer geotag, I'm gonna look up Lake City, Florida. And I'm going to filter buyers. Now, let's start calling buyers, shall we? Hello, is this Josiah?
Hey, yeah, it is. Sorry I missed you.
Hey, no worries at all. Did you get my message?
I did. Yeah, So you got one in Lake City?
Yeah. Are you buying out there?
I am.
Excellent. Let's see here. Do you want to go ahead? Do you want me to text you the details or send them to your email?
Yeah, if you could text it to me, that'd be great.
Perfect.
So is it turnkey or does it need rehab?
No, it needs rehab.
Okay. Do you have photos?
Sure do.
Okay, cool. Yeah, if you could text that to me, I'll check it out as soon as I get back to the office, and I'll let you know something today.
Awesome. I appreciate it. I'll go ahead and send this over right now.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man.
All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. That easy, boys. That easy. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to message him. So I'm texting him. I'm just going to say, hey, Josiah, here. No, I'm going to say, hey, Josiah, it's Tyson. I'm going to give him my name. It's Tyson Smith. Okay, so we already found one buyer to send it out to. Wait, I need to figure out what my other buyer is doing over here. Let's keep calling. Let's get some more buyers on the phone. Hello, Danny?
Yes, how you doing?
Good. Danny, I'm doing well. This is Tyson Smith with We Buy Homes Cash. I saw you just requested the address of that deal I just sent out in Lake City. So the way it works on Investor Lift is when I send out the deal, it doesn't have the address on it. They have to request to get the address, and when they request to get it, they have to enter in their email and phone number. So this guy requests the address. Immediately I call him, obviously. I did send it to him though. Now I'm gonna send him a message. Guys, if you guys are interested in one-on-one mentorship, by the way, my one-on-one students closed on over $150,000 last week alone. If you guys want to be a part of that, if you guys want to get your first deal in the next 90 days guaranteed, hit the link in my bio, click the button that says free training, go watch it, and then apply down below. There are only so many spots left as it is a one-on-one mentorship and I can only take on so many people.